Hello friends, welcome to Daring Marina YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about pump shaft alignment, their method and procedure. Pump shaft alignment, method and procedure. So let's discuss about this topic in detail. So there are three methods. That means straight edge and filler gauge method. That means they used to check a gap at 12 o'clock and 6 o'clock position. The straight edge at the top means pump shaft alignment method means straight edge and filler gauge method means they will check the gap at 12 o'clock and 6 o'clock position. Check the straight edge at top. Then use shims to adjust the motor height and gap at a 12 o'clock and 6 o'clock position. They will use shims to adjust the motor height at a gap at 12 o'clock and 6 o'clock position. Then check straight edge and gap at 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock position. Then they will check the straight edge and gap at 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock position. We will use the motor jack to adjust it. Okay, we will use a motor jack to adjust it. Now this method is straight edge and filler gauge method means we will check the gap at 12 o'clock and 6 o'clock position. Check straight edge at the top. We will use shims to adjust the motor height and a gap at 12 o'clock and 6 o'clock position. Then we will use check straight edge to at a gap between 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock position. We use motor jack to adjust it. Here it is what. Here means we will check gap at 12 o'clock and 6 o'clock position and check straight edge at the top. Here's what showing checking straight edge at the top. Then we use shims to adjust motor height at the gap at 12 o'clock and 6 o'clock position. Then we use straight edge and gap between 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock position. Then use motor jack to adjust it. Then face and periphery method means for pump shaft alignment is it is good for large diameter hub with a short distance shaft end. This face and periphery method is good for large diameter hub with a short distance shaft end. This is what that means face and periphery method good for large diameter hub with a short distance shaft end. Then reverse periphery method means it is better than slating method because both direction there is we check the diameter of the shaft. Okay, thank you.